I cannot believe that we are in the fourth quarter already, and it's been a blur. I mean, we're getting ready to make a second trip to Germany. It's unheard of to have had 2 international shows in a year, and then in between those, we have launched Nexus, which was an entirely new concept that rolled out with a bang. So it feels like this has been a year of bold moves. I guess I was inspired when I wrote this editor's note, just thinking about how fast the year has gone by and looking at how some of these bakers just really sort of took the bull by the horns, you know, with the Pergola brothers launching Chetty's, or Cliff Nordquist, and how he made this a bold decision to physically cut a hole in the door of a storefront and then just kept taking chances, and now he has this incredible bagel bakery in the Bronx. There's no shortage of inspiration and innovation and just really bold moves. Well, I'm a child of the 80s, and I'll never forget how impactful it was the first time I saw Ferris Bueller break the fourth wall and tell me, life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you might miss it. You know, that was sage advice then, and it's sage advice now, and it is important to make those bold moves because the industry can't move forward without them. But as leaders, we also have to sort of pull ourselves out and think about the chances that we take and enjoy it. Just stop and take it all in and look at what we've created, look at what we've built, and enjoy it. So I know firsthand what it's like to act on a dream and take a chance. And it's scary and it's challenging. Being an entrepreneur feels great, and it also can hurt a lot, and it takes resilience and it takes commitment. And one thing that's really important as entrepreneurs or leaders, you have to remember why you took the chance in the first place and really hold on to that really tight, because it's one thing to have a dream. It's another thing to act on that dream, but the dream doesn't end. And that's the beauty of entrepreneurialism and innovation, is that you just sort of keep that cycle going, and you can just keep living into your dream and building on it. And when you do that, it can be more than you ever imagined it could be.